Health pioneers present 20 exercise hacks to sneak more fitness into your day. Are you one of the millions of people who make a New Year's resolution to exercise more, and then watch as the best of intentions falls to the wayside? If so, you're not alone. While the Centers for Disease Prevention and Control advise adults to get at least 150 minutes a week of moderate to intense aerobic activity, or about 20 minutes a day plus 2 days of muscle strengthening activity, the CDC estimates that nearly 80% of Americans don't meet these recommendations. 20 hacks to sneak more exercise into your day. 1. Add interval workouts. Maximize your time and burn more calories with burst training. This method combines short bouts of high-intensity interval training exercise with recovery phases, helping you burn fat faster while improving cardiovascular fitness. 2. Explore your own town. Chances are, there are quite a few low-cost fitness activities where you live and they don't have to feel like work. Explore local hiking trails. Take a walk in a neighborhood you haven't spent much time in. Try area pools, or see what fun fitness activities your community center might be hosting. 3. Switch up your commute. The average American spends 38 hours a year commuting to work. So why not make your commute work for you? If you work in a city where you take public transportation to work, consider getting off the train or bus a stop early and walking a few extra minutes after a few days. You won't even notice the distance. 4. Have walking meetings. Let's face it, meetings can be long, tedious and oftentimes unproductive. Give your team a breath of fresh air, literally by instituting walking meetings. Take a brisk walk while you have weekly catch-ups or go over project logistics. You might even find new solutions to old problems. A recent study found that walking while talking can increase creativity by as much as 60%. 5. Walk the dog. Instead of delegating walking the family pet to your children, start and end your day by taking Fido on a brisk stroll. Just 20 minutes of walking your dog can burn about 130 calories. 7. Even better. Head to the dog park and toss a ball around. 2. 6. Meet friends for workouts. You might be planning on squeezing in a workout, but then a friend you haven't seen in a while invites you for happy hour. Instead of choosing between social life and fitness, combine the two. Meet friends for a fitness class or a jog around the neighborhood instead of brunch or drinks. Not only will you get in quality time and a workout, but your wallet will thank you, too. 7. Take the stairs. Firm up your glutes and increase your heart rate throughout the day by nixing elevators and escalators and taking the stairs instead. Whether at the office or the shopping mall, you'll be surprised by how quickly those extra flights of stairs add up throughout the day. 8. Get moving throughout the day. When most of us are obligated to be at our offices from 9 to 5 or longer, we have to make the most of our situations. Instead of writing a coworker an email or picking up the phone, walk to that person's office and chat face to face. Take a walk at lunchtime instead of eating at your computer. These exercise hacks and their short distances really do add up to quite a few extra steps a week. 9. Keep the car in the garage. Running errands around town. Save on gas and walk or bike ride short distances instead. 10. Do vacations in a different way. Stepping out of your daily routine doesn't mean your workout plan has to fall to pieces. Skip the big bus city tours and explore a new city by taking a walking tour instead. Seek out hotels with gyms or partnerships with local fitness centers. Or plan a vacation around an activity you've been interested in. If you've been wanting to run a 10K, sign up for one in a city you're excited to visit. Have you been wanting to work on your arm balances? Seek out a yoga retreat. Thanks for watching it. Please like and share this video.